Hello guys, I'm Alan Kurz to tell you in this tutorials how to recover your Gmail ID in case someone who has hacked or someone who has stolen your Gmail ID or someone who has hijacked, or in case you have lost your device and due to that spontaneously you have lost your Gmail ID. Now you would like to recover for your data protections. How do you recover? Even if you don't have the recovery mobile number or the recovery emails, how do you recover? Of course, by alternative way, of course we can recover. How is it possible? By by giving especially substantial information to our Google. So of course we can recover. So right now this idea has been recommended by my one viewer. So why? Especially because this viewer who has lost his device. So we would like to recover. So we have an option here to next or forgot. Yes, let's say record lives here. Just we will click on a forgot password, and now see here asking that we have a number, then we will get an OTP, or if we don't have a number, then we can click here don't have my phones. So now it's essential that they couldn't sign in. Why? Because you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. So how can I? This can be the possible, don't worry guys. As answer as many questions. Yes, you can. As you can guys. How is it possible? Of course this can be possible. Let's try. We will cut it from here, and of course we will come to Play Store guys. In the Play Store I download especially here the Hola browser. This is a private and fast web browser. Just simply we will install this browser. So here is installing. On the other hand, of course we will tap on a Google product and of course hold the Google browser, click on a help icon and upon wait. Here just we will click here notification that should be a totally blocked, so it has been off. Now we will back and of course tap on a permission, navigate the location guys. Of course we will make it use the precise location that should be disabled, and of course click here don't allow anyway. So it will ask you this. If you deny this permission, the basic feature of this maybe no longer function as intended. No problem at all. Click here don't allow anyway. Now what we have to do here guys, simply just we will cut it from here, and once again we will tap on a Google, and at this time we will hold especially this Chrome browser and click on a help icon guys. So I dot, and of course we will make it disable, and upon we will back, and of course we will click on a permission. In the permission of course we will try to navigate the location. Click here the precise location that should be disabled, and upon don't allow. Click here don't allow anyway. We will back once again more time. We will back and click on a browser app, and here we have options in that. We will have to selection this whole app browser. We will get it from here. Now we will open this browser, and thereupon what we will do guys here, we will have to accept a term and condition, and thereupon of course we will pick this Google, and now here just we will click on a sign in on blue dot, and here we are. Now simply we will have to type this ID, and of course we will go for next. Now see it will ask you the password. Of course we will go for forgot password, and here is directly number is showing, so just we will click here don't have a number. And now what will happen guys here, it's also saying that we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is mine. So in that condition what we will do, cut it here, don't click on a triangle, otherwise you will have the problems. This account would be a phrase for 48 hours, so or maybe you will have a chance to, of course you will have an opportunity to give alternative email for time being And of course, on the basis of you will have to also endorse their proof, and you will have to submit the proof, your identity, and on the basis of Google will justify within the 48 hours that this account is your or not. And if it is your, then of course you will have an opportunity to create a strong password. But if you don't have, you would like to have the quick response. So in that condition, simply guys, we will come in a setting directly. And after setting, of course we will have to come in the Google service. So here is a Google service. Now what do we have to do? We have to click on a three dot, and thereupon of course click on a help icon, and thereupon yes, click on here consign. Now you will have to explain the proper yes answer. So someone else is using this account, you think, of course I think so guys. So now here what will happen guys, secure your account. On a first phase we will come on first links. Now here is a especially see guys, we will come on a review your activities friends. Now here find out if your account has been hacked. Yes, we will click on here. Now as we see guys here, just we will back, and of course we will have to back. Now see, sign into your account on the first option, that is a account recovery page. Yes, here just we will click on a account recovery page, and here now what will happen guys, yes, directly it has been opened here on this Ola browser. So right here particular once again that ID, and see here guys, simply just we will go for next options. So let's see. Now as we see directly we would be landed here. Now here smartly we will have to handle that. Click on update password, don't go for on a continue guys, otherwise you will have the problem once again. So the questions can be verified via Google. So just here we will click on a, let's see, update password, and here we have options that create the strong password according to your own visualization, and you can confirm this password. Means of course now here we can generate a strong password spontaneously. Directly we can skip it, and also there we can without changing the password, yes we can skip it, and of course we can add their recovery mobile number, recovery emails, and thereupon whenever of course we would like to either change the password, we would like to create the strong password, that can be possible. Right now while the recording the screen, so we cannot the create because it will be in the public domains, but now this idea has been finally recovered guys. So this is an easy way you can recover the any idea guys, and any further confusion query, the blend there is the query below the comment box guys. Please what reminds to reply to the query. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys, and if you found this is informative, acknowledgeable, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these concepts, because this is the things and this will inspire me a lot, and also someone who is facing this kind of the problems and they can recover the quickly this particular, yes, if they are facing this kind of situation. So thank you very much indeed guys, have a great time, bye bye.